Have you ever wondered why it's scorching in the Sahara but freezing in Antarctica? Or why some places see rain almost every day while others haven't seen a drop in years? Well, it's all because of an incredible phenomenon called weather, and it's influenced greatly by something we call geography. Imagine the Earth as a large, spinning globe. Half of it basks in sunlight while the other half rests in the shadow. This constant spinning creates a balance of light and dark, hot and cold, and it's the first step in understanding how geography influences weather. The Earth isn't flat, but a sphere, and this shape means that sunlight doesn't hit all parts of the Earth equally. The equator, the imaginary line that cuts the Earth into two equal halves, gets the most sunlight. This results in hotter climates, like the steamy rainforests of the Amazon or the scorching deserts of Africa. Move away from the equator towards the poles, and the sunlight becomes less direct, spreading over a larger area. That's why places like Canada or Russia can be incredibly chilly, especially during winter. But the sun isn't the only factor. The Earth's surface is a patchwork of land and water, and they heat up at different rates. Water, for instance, takes longer to heat up and cool down than land. This difference creates breezes on the beach during the day and at night. Now let's consider mountains. They play a major role in influencing weather too. As air moves up a mountainside, it cools and condenses, forming clouds and often rain. This is why one side of a mountain range can be lush and green, while the other side, blocked from the moist air, can be arid and dry. This is known as a rain shadow. Now, think about the vast flat plains in the middle of continents, far from the moderating influence of the oceans. These areas experience extremes of temperature, scorching summers and freezing winters. So, in summary, weather isn't random. It's a complex system influenced by the Earth's rotation, the tilt of its axis, the distribution of land and water, and the geographical features like mountains and plains. All these factors come together to create the diverse climates and weather patterns we see around the world. From the tropics at the equator to the polar ice caps, from the highest mountain peak to the flattest plain, geography shapes our weather, creating the beautiful, diverse world we live in. So next time you step outside, take a moment to appreciate the weather and remember the incredible geographical forces at play.